Hello, hello. Good morning, good morning. Once again, this is breakfast time. This is my breakfast foods. Bread, kubos, and reheat chicken, and ipilipil. Ito yung kinuha ko kahapon. Ipilipil, and sweet, and orange, and hot drink. That's my breakfast foods, mga idol. But ignore my foods. It's up to you what is your breakfast foods. Okay, let's set a little bit hot. Mm, orange. Mm. Maanamis-namis. Mm. Mm.